What is the first one?
That's a weekend for Miss World, eh?
Yeah, boy.
She's supposed to well tired. Tony,
Yeah.
and good morning to you. You're probably fast asleep, and
Yeah.
we can understand
She's still
why.
here?
I think she leaves today at 7:30. But it's been a whirlwind
Yeah, man.
of activity since she landed on Friday evening.
Yep.
She's done the rounds now. She's been to where? Jamaica. There was a reception held in her honor last
Yep.
night.
I
There's
know.
Emancipation Park.
Yep. She went to her grandparents' grave,
Yes.
which was a little emotional for her. She should have gone to
Unruly Fest
on Saturday night, which was
Did she go?
fantastic. I'm not certain, but I know she
didn't
should
see any
have gone, which
reports
was
of her, actually.
fantastic. I don't know if you saw popcorn
Okay.
entered the stage.
Okay.
You saw it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Overhead.
Yeah.
What is it? Was fantastic. You were there?
No, but I got lots of videos and stuff of what
Make it
was
sound like you
going
was into the front row. I was wondering. Okay.
on. Clive same was there. So. Yeah. Clive was never have no money to go inside, so I'm at the stadium and car outside and listen. Poor thing.
It's Christmas, you know.
Yeah.
Do better.
Yeah.
Do better.
All right, so what do you do with ornaments, folks?
Put them on the tree.
I guess.
Wait, no, we don't finish hot topic.
Oh.
How we go?
No, I forget
Rapid. Anyway, what we were really
Show me how
supposed to
read
be
that.
supposed to be telling you is that during the tour now, she went to St. Thomas, as you all know, and when they got there, the Minister of CGES, I call it, Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Grange, announced that a new nursery to be constructed at the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation location in Morant Bay will be named in honor of Miss World, Tony Ann Singh. That's lovely. She said, we'll build out a new nursery and it will be the Tony Ann Singh Nursery. We'll make a more detailed announcement, but I just want to say to you that it will be done and it will be done soonest. So, you know, Tony Ann had chosen the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation location in St. Thomas for her Beauty with a Purpose project when she entered the competition. And she's been working with the ministry to improve the facilities there. Her aim is to raise how much? $12 million?
$12 million, yeah.
To develop the facilities and to help adolescent mothers to complete their education. So good on you, Tony Ann.
Yeah.
Good on you, Minister. And we look forward to that happening.
All right, the next one, you know, it's Christmas time, and we've heard over the years that when companies send their money with the bearers and even the bosses themselves will go make a, put it in the bank. What do you call it?
Deposit?
A deposit. And they're held up, they're robbed, either coming from the bank with money or going to the bank. Recently, one of my very good friends who has a big company was followed from the bank, robbed, and one of his co-workers shot 4 times.
What?
A good thing is the co-worker is all right, and the boss is okay.
Lord.
So now the JCF, they're saying, well, let us do it for you. So when you're sending money to the bank or receiving money, we will go with the bearers, we will go with the owners, we will go with the people who make these deposits or take money out, and it will be a lot safer for you. And it's for free. So the JCF is saying, well, we'll do that for
Do
free.
they
It's
have
part of-
the resources to do that?
Well, Mr. Elon Powell, Assistant Commissioner, said the offer is available given that business transactions are usually heightened during the festive season and criminals could use that as an opportunity to commit robberies. So they're saying give them a call, make an arrangement with your local police. It comes at no cost and it is part of their function, they're saying. So they encourage people, rather than have you taking it or your messenger, you arrange for the police to just escort you there so they can deposit the money and get back home to your place of business safely.
That's very nice.
I think it's wonderful.
We can only hope that these brazen robbers will be deterred
Yep.
by that.
They're also saying don't keep a lump sum in the cash register from time to time. Take off that money and put it somewhere else. He says some of us like to expose cash, so when we open the cash register and you start counting the money in presence of everyone, that should be avoided because you're exposing yourself to danger.
Can we just say, too, that we know some folks are going to be on the plaza today trying to get last-minute shopping done. If you are walking the plazas, you don't need to carry a handbag, just if you don't need to. Put your card in your pocket. If you have your cash, put it in your pocket. Your phones. People, I'm on the plaza yesterday and people are still walking with their cell phone in their hands or on the phones. You are a walking target. That's what they want. So try your best. You can see, I mean, it's not 1950, but, you know, push it in.
Yep.
Conceal
Be
it,
careful.
hide it. It's
Be
not
careful.
a problem.
Be careful.
Or leave it at home. Because,
Yeah.
you know, the less you have on you,
Yeah.
the better. If you're
This
on the
next
mall.
one, 60 vehicles. I've actually been involved in something like this. It wasn't 60 vehicles, but more than about 10 or 15. But there were icy conditions, and you tried to stop when you just slide, and then you slide into the man in front of you, and someone slides behind, and it keeps going. And somewhere in Williamsburg, there were 60 vehicles involved in a pileup. As I said, fog and ice. And they just apparently couldn't stop, couldn't see each other. They said it happened 8 o'clock on Sunday, yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's
60
in Virginia.
cars.
That's serious.
Yeah, 60 cars.
Let me
There
tell
you
you,
go.
those icy roads in the
Yeah.
States.
I was actually driving on the highway once, hit a patch of ice. So I'm in the inside lane, 4-lane highway. I'm in the inside lane, hit the patch of ice, and my car went like that, bam, against the railing, bam, back on the road, and I'm gone.
Yeah.
I'm serious. I didn't
Yeah,
even
oh
stop.
well.
The car just went bang, bang, and I'm gone. Get home, and there's this long streak on the side, that ice. You can't stop. It didn't make
Yeah.
sense. You press the brake. The brake make it
Yeah,
worse,
you just have to
actually.
make the car spin,
Yeah,
'cause
man,
there's
you
nothing
press
you
the
can
brake
do.
on the ice, and you just start going.
Nothing you can do.
So y'all have to be careful. Well, they have snow tires, but you hit the ice, no matter what kind of tires you have on, it's not going to work.